Most solopreneurs aren't losing because they lack a good product idea. They're losing because they spend 90% of their time on the stuff with repetitive work, likes, sourcing products, chasing suppliers, writing outreach emails, pulling reports. What if you had an AI team that just handled all of that for you 24/7? That's Accio Work, and it's backed by Alibaba.com. I've been using it, and I genuinely haven't seen anything like it.
Hey, this channel is your shortcut to understanding modern AI without the boring technical talk. Each video shows practical tools, cool concepts, and real ways to use AI to improve work, study, and content creation. If you enjoy simple solutions, you'll enjoy what's ahead.
Here's the thing, most people get wrong about AI tools. They treat them like a smarter Google. You ask a question, you get an answer, and then you go do the work yourself. That's not what Accio Work is. When you open Accio Work, you're not looking at a chatbot. You're looking at an agentic business workspace. There's an agents tab, a skills library, a connectors page, and a channel section. And each one of those is a layer of actual execution power. And importantly, the skills library already comes with a wide range of preloaded, ready-to-use business skills. So you don't have to build everything from scratch. You can pick your AI agent, and you can also create custom agents, define their role, assign skills, and configure your workflow. So you're essentially setting up your own AI team from the start. Let me show you what that looks like in practice. For product research, I typed one prompt into Accio Work with clearly instruction. Research trending products in the home organization category for Q2. Analyze what's selling well. Identify 3 to 5 products with high margin and low competition. Build a store-ready setup, including product listings, descriptions, visuals, and a basic storefront structure, and draft promotional copy for social media. That's a lot to ask, get that right? Here's what happened. The Accio Work agent broke that down into a sequence of subtasks, delegated each one to specialized skills or sub-agents, and started pulling live sourcing data directly from the Alibaba.com network, which, by the way, has over 1 billion products and 26 years of B2B trade data behind it. Within minutes, I had a full report, key trends, top product picks, pricing comparisons, everything. But it didn't stop there. It actually generated a store-ready setup, product listings, descriptions, visuals, and a basic storefront structure that could be directly used to launch a Shopify store. And I asked it to save it as a PDF in my downloads folder. So at this point, we've gone from product research to an actual store setup. Now the next step is, who are you sourcing from? Now here's where it gets really interesting. Accio Work have different advantages with other AI tools. If Accio Work compared with Claude Co-Work, Accio Work advantage is that understand business better, and if compared with OpenClaw, Accio Work have stronger security. Accio Work is built directly on top of Alibaba.com infrastructure, which means it's working with verified suppliers, structured data, and a controlled ecosystem. So instead of scraping the internet and hoping the data is reliable, it's pulling from a trusted B2B network. And when you're dealing with real suppliers, real pricing, and real transactions, that level of reliability matters. Under the connectors page, you can hook up Gmail, Shopify, WhatsApp, Telegram, and more. And according to their team, a lot more integrations are coming. Once those platforms are connected, the agent doesn't just sit there waiting for instructions, it can actively execute communication workflows on your behalf. So for demo number 2, I gave it this prompt. Find 10 eco-friendly packaging suppliers that ship to the US and EU. Compare their pricing and send negotiation emails requesting a 15% volume discount with a request for a first order sample. What happened next was kind of wild. It pulled supplier data from the Alibaba.com network, ranked them, flagged that they don't publish public email addresses, and then gave me 2 options. Send outreach directly through Alibaba.com or draft emails through Gmail. I said, do both, and it did. Supplier messages sent inside Alibaba.com and Gmail drafts sitting ready in my inbox, each one professionally written and personalized. That's work that used to take a procurement hire. And honestly, that's still not the full picture. Because if you're someone who does content or paid marketing, this part matters. Inside the skills library, there are tools to automate Instagram posts, generate meta ad creatives, and manage Google Ads campaigns. You can schedule tasks, connect your accounts, and basically put your entire content pipeline on autopilot. This isn't just a tool that writes captions. It researches what's working, creates the content, and publishes it on a schedule you control. And this is the channels section. This is where you connect your AI agents to platforms like Telegram, Discord, DingTalk, and WeChat. You can assign different agents to different channels and let them handle communication automatically from one centralized workspace. So instead of manually managing every platform yourself, your AI agents can respond and operate across multiple channels for you. Lou, there are a lot of AI tools out there right now, but most of them are still stuck in the help you think category. Accio Work is in a different category. It's in the help you execute category. And more importantly, it's not just isolated features. It's a full workflow. Product research, store setup, supplier sourcing, marketing, all handled inside one system. And if you're running a product business, an e-commerce store, or trying to scale without scaling your headcount, I'd seriously try this out. If you use the link in the description, you'll get bonus credits to actually run these workflows yourself, not just test the interface, but see what it can do end to end. Go try it and let me know in the comments. What workflow would you automate first? Because I genuinely want to see what you come up with.